Alright guys, so today we finally did it. Finally got a trailer to tow the car to the track. This thing's a beast. Got a lot of good stuff about it. Lock that up. Spare tire. It's from Action Trailers. If you guys haven't heard about them, check them out. They got a cool video explaining how to load your cars and stuff. Yeah, it's got the detachable hitch. It's got LED lights all around it. It's even got a dovetail or beaver tail, whatever you want to call it. These guys right here, so you don't lift your truck up when you tow your car. And the ramps are hidden right here. They just slide out and hook along here, and they're adjustable all around. And it is wood. And the cool thing about it is the Mennonites actually made this. So this thing's gonna last pretty much forever. And with this package, it comes with all the LED lights. It comes with 4 of these, or 6 of these, sorry. And then one of the coolest things, this guy right here, these 2 little pulls there, you unscrew them, and this whole fender comes off. They're aluminum fenders. It's pretty sick. This thing's super low. And yeah, I'm really excited to throw the Miata up here finally. We got this hitch here so that, or this boot here so that no one can steal it, because we're a little worried. And yeah, the thing looks sick. I'm excited. I'm gonna be mounting my hitch in here somewhere. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on top, or I might have it come out of the box somewhere on one of the sides and just rest on one of these posts. Yeah, everything looks really good. It looks real nice. And yeah, hopefully all this stuff will deter any thefts from coming and taking this bad boy away from us. But yeah, it's gonna look sick. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait to throw the Miata on here and take it to the track. Anyways, this is gonna be a quick video. Just wanted to show this off, this beautiful thing. And yeah, definitely check out Action Trailers. They got some really nice builds. Thanks for watching, guys.